Well, congratulations. You finally made it to us. Most people have tried everything under the sun, and failed before they get to us. Most people that start with us stay with us. And people that finally get to us stay with us. But anyway, you're here now. So what I want to tell you about, what we've done over the past 10 years is hone everything that we've learned into a couple of simple steps that we're going to teach you, and we'll let you use our indicators for free for a week. We'll give you weekly trading zones for free for a week. We will show you how to use TradingView platform, how to set up the TradingView platform. If you click the link up above right now, there's like a 20-minute video that is going to explain all this stuff to you in a lot more detail. We're also going to give you a free week in our room in the morning to watch me do the trades live in front of you, so you can learn how to use the software and the indicators live in real live markets. To get right into that, click the link down below. That will get you directly to that. You won't have to go through the 20-minute thing up above, but you really should look at the 20 minutes. The room is from 9:30 to 11:30 Eastern time every business day. All right, I'm the one that's going to be in the room. I'm Michael. I'm the one that's going to be in the room. I'm the voice you're going to hear in the room in the morning. And that's it. I mean, you're at a great place right now. Okay, you're at a great place to start your learning or to add to your learning. And we'll do our best to teach you everything that you need to know. All right, take the next step.